Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Fiesta music system. Sometimes, your car's audio system might act a little quirky, perhaps the screen freezes or Bluetooth won't connect. A simple reset can often resolve these common electronic hiccups, bringing your system back to full functionality without any harm. It's a great first step for troubleshooting. First, let's try a quick soft reset. Find the power button, usually on your volume knob, and the seek right button on your radio or steering wheel. Press and hold both of these buttons together for approximately 10 seconds. You'll see the display go blank, then it should restart. This simple action often clears temporary glitches, getting your music flowing again in no time. If a soft reset doesn't work, a master reset is the next step. On your sync screen, go to the Settings menu. From there, navigate to General or System Settings, then select Advanced, and finally choose Master Reset. Confirm your selection. Be aware that this will erase all personal data, like paired phones and radio presets, so you'll need to reconfigure them afterward. For persistent problems, a hard reset by disconnecting the battery is effective. First, turn off your car completely. Then, locate your 12-volt battery and carefully disconnect the negative terminal. Leave it disconnected for at least 15 minutes to ensure all residual power drains. Reconnect the terminal, and your system will have undergone a full reset, ready for you to set up again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.